Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic Retrieval-Augmented Generation. So, let's get started. In the context of RG, what is the primary purpose of hypothetical document embeddings, HyDE? The correct answer is option B. To generate a fake answer first and use its embedding to find similar real documents. Which retrieval strategy involves retrieving small chunks of text, but providing the LLM with a larger surrounding context, parent, for better understanding. The correct answer is option C, parent document retrieval. What is the main advantage of using a cross-encoder for re-ranking compared to a bi-encoder used in initial retrieval? The correct answer is option B. Cross-encoders allow for full self-attention between the query and the document simultaneously. In hybrid search within a RAG pipeline, how are keyword-based, BM25, and vector-based results typically combined? The correct answer is option B. Using reciprocal rank fusion, RREF, to merge the ranked lists. The lost in the middle phenomenon in RAG refers to the LLM's tendency to The correct answer is option C, perform worse when relevant information is located in the middle of the retrieved context. In the RAGAS evaluation framework, what does the faithfulness metric specifically measure? The correct answer is option C. The extent to which the generated answer is derived solely from the retrieved context. Which vector indexing method uses a graph-based approach to enable high-speed approximate nearest neighbor searches? The correct answer is option B, HNSW, Hierarchical Navigable Small World. What is the primary goal of using maximum marginal relevance, MMR, during the retrieval step? The correct answer is option C. To balance the relevance of documents to the query with the diversity among the results. When implementing multi-query retrieval, why are multiple versions of a user's prompt generated? The correct answer is option B. To capture different semantic nuances and overcome the limitations of distance-based search. Which technique is used to reduce the size of the retrieved context by removing irrelevant sentences before passing it to the LLM? The correct answer is option C, contextual compression. In a RAG system, what is metadata filtering? The correct answer is option B, restricting the search space to a subset of documents based on attributes like date or category. What is the sentence window retrieval technique? The correct answer is option B, retrieving a single sentence, but expanding the context to include surrounding sentences during generation. Which distance metric is most commonly used for comparing normalized embeddings in vector databases? The correct answer is option B, cosine similarity. What does the self-RG framework introduce to the standard RG process? The correct answer is option A. The LLM critiques its own retrieval and generation using special reflection tokens. In RG, what is query decomposition? The correct answer is option A, breaking a complex query into multiple sub-questions that are answered individually. What is the primary role of the retriever component in a RAG architecture? The correct answer is option B. To identify and fetch relevant document snippets from a knowledge base. Which of the following is a challenge when using very large chunk sizes in RAG? The correct answer is option C. Irrelevant noise within the chunk can dilute the signal for the LLM. What is GraphRAG? The correct answer is option B. An architecture that uses a knowledge graph to capture relationships between entities for retrieval. In the RAGAS framework, context precision evaluates. The correct answer is option B. Whether the ground truth relevant items are ranked higher in the retrieved results. Which technique involves using a smaller, faster model to decide if a query needs retrieval or can be answered by the LLM's internal knowledge? The correct answer is option B, semantic routing. What is the late interaction mechanism used by models like Colbert? The correct answer is option C, comparing every token embedding of the query with every token embedding of the document. What is the purpose of recursive character text splitting? The correct answer is option A. To split text into chunks based on a hierarchy of separators, like paragraphs, then sentences. Which of the following is a disadvantage of using a flat index in a vector database? The correct answer is option B. It is computationally expensive and slow for large datasets. In a RAG pipeline, re-ranking usually happens. The correct answer is option B. After the initial retrieval, but before the context is sent to the LLM. What problem does FLAIR forward-looking active retrieval attempt to solve? The correct answer is option C, retrieving information only when the LLM is uncertain or lacks knowledge during generation. Which metric is used to measure the similarity between two probability distributions, often used in evaluating LLM outputs? The correct answer is option C, KL divergence. What is the function of an embedding model in RAG? The correct answer is option B. To transform text into numerical vectors that represent semantic meaning. What is contextual query expansion? The correct answer is option B. Using an LLM to rewrite a query to make it more descriptive or clear. Which component is responsible for prompt engineering in a RAG system? The correct answer is option B. The orchestrator, e.g., LangChain or LlamaIndex. Why is overlapping used during the chunking process? The correct answer is option B. To ensure that semantic context at the boundaries of chunks is preserved. Thank you for watching.